Have you ever gone to start your car, only to be met with the dreaded silence of a dead battery? While it's easy to blame cold weather or an old battery, the truth behind battery failures might surprise you. Many drivers don't realize there's a silent culprit working against them. Parasitic drains. Parasitic drain occurs when something in your car continues to draw power from the battery even when the car is off. It could be something as simple as a malfunctioning dome light switch, a charging cable left plugged in, or even a fault in your car's electrical system. Over time, these small drains can completely deplete your battery. But here's the twist. Modern cars are more vulnerable to this issue than ever. Why? Because they're loaded with advanced tech. Think infotainment systems, navigation, and anti-theft devices. These gadgets keep drawing power even when your car is parked. If you leave your car unused for a few days, that drain can take its toll. Let's talk about prevention. First, invest in a good multimeter. This handy tool can measure the current draw when your car is off and help you identify whether something is draining the battery. Second, make sure to fully turn off accessories before exiting the car. A simple mistake, like leaving your headlights or cabin lights on, can lead to a drained battery by morning. And don't forget to unplug those chargers. They may seem harmless, but they can slowly drain power over time. Another tip: if you're leaving your car unused for an extended period, disconnect the battery or use a trickle charger to maintain its charge. These small steps can make a big difference in extending your battery's life. Lastly, don't ignore the signs of a failing battery. If your car struggles to start or you notice dimming lights, it's time to check your battery's health. Many auto parts stores will do this for free, saving you from being stranded later. What's the strangest reason you've ever had a car battery die? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more practical car tips. Stay charged and stay safe.